loves, so today I'm going to show you how to apply false lashes. So this is me without the false lashes and this is me with the false lashes. Have you seen how huge of a difference the false lashes actually make? So in this video I'm going to show you an easy way, a simple way on how you can actually be able to apply your false lashes. Ensure you've subscribed, liked and left a positive comment on the comment section. So first of all, apply your eyeliner. Eyeliner is very important because it can help you hide mistakes in case you make any. And when you're applying your eyeliner, always ensure that you have applied it as close to your natural lashes as possible. Then mascara is very important because it helps you blend your natural lashes to the false lashes seamlessly, because when you apply the mascara, the natural lashes becomes a little bit tacky, and when you apply the falses, it becomes very easy to blend them in. And these are my false lashes, so I use a tweezer to take them out and I hold it at the middle like this. I first measure if it fits my eye or not. So if it's too big, I will have to cut it, but it fits me perfectly. I use Lanel hair bonding glue for my eyelashes. I find it very easy to actually use because it dries up very fast and you don't need a lot of it, and then it's very affordable. So when it comes to application, look at how I'm holding my false lash. I'm holding it at the middle, and when it comes to placement, I also place it at the middle. And then now after placing it, you need to press it in. So I start pressing it in from the outer corner. For this eye, I start with the outer corner going all the way to the inner corner. So like this, I go pressing it in like that, blending it in with my natural lashes like that. And still using my tweezer, I take out the other lash and I hold it from the outer corner. And this is because in case of any mess, in case I overpluck my lashes, I will trim it. It's easy to trim from the outer corner. And then when it comes to holding, you hold it at the middle. In case of any excess glues, you first remove them, and then when it comes to applying that glue, you apply it on the lash band. So this is the lash band, the one that I'm applying, and not on your hairs. You don't apply the glue on your hair. And still hold that lash from the middle part, and when you're placing it, you place from the middle part. And when it comes to this side, I press it in from the inner corner going to the outer corner. So for the left side, I start from the inner corner going to the outer corner. And then I go pressing in my natural lashes to the false lashes to blend them and make them look seamless. So this is what I'm currently doing. And it becomes easy because of the mascara that you used. And then I'm going to use this color, lash color. And when you curl your lashes, you even don't feel like you have any lashes, and it looks much better. Like compare the ones that have curled and the ones that have not curled. You can see that there is a huge difference. And on the ones that you've curled, you don't feel them. And this is the final look, guys. So thank you so much for always supporting me. Ensure you've subscribed, ensure you've liked this video and left a positive comment on the comment section. Also give me suggestions on the videos that you would like to see. So this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, guys, bye. See you on the next one.